Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a curly hair tutorial. So if you guys are interested, then please keep on watching. Thank you. Okay babes, so let's get started. So I'll be using the 3-in-1 Yumi curling wand that looks like this. It comes in 3 different sizes. They should give you a thinner one, a medium one, and a bigger one. So I'm using the middle one. I already untangled my Mufasa hair and put heat protectant, so don't forget to do that. So now let's just go ahead and separate the hair. So what I like to do is go by start off by sections. So I just go based on the bottom. So I just part it like that. And I just put this hair in a bun and just tie it. So what I do next is I just try to do middle and middle, just to make sure it's not tangled, like that. So and then I just put my ears to have these little hairs out of my face, just like that. Start off by sectioning it. I like to get small pieces, and I get the wand and I do put it behind me, and we're going to curl the hair outwards. So just like that. And then I like just to keep my hair for a couple seconds, not so long. I could say like 10 seconds. So and then after that, just let it go. And I like to keep it on, like in my hand for a little bit. A lot of people like to clip them. I personally don't do that. And then after that, I just let it go and just pull it so it could become a little bit looser. So after that, just small sections. So it's like that. And then for a couple seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I just let it fall into the palm of my hand. Hold it. And then let it go and pull it. So there it is. I'm gonna show you guys one more time, and then we could go to the other side. So just like this amount of hair, put the wand behind you facing downwards, wrap outwards your hair, and then drop it to the palm of your hand. Hold it for a couple of seconds, and then just let it go and pull it. Don't pull it so hard, just a little bit. Okay, so now let me just continue. And there. So we did one side already. So now on to the next side. Just brush it. Start backwards from the inner side. A small chunk like this. And this side is different. You're gonna do it outwards, facing outwards, not inwards. Out. Out. So the same way, just let it sit for a couple seconds. And then just drop it to the palm of your hand. This, just hold it. And then, there you go. Just pull it. And then just pull it back. So just continue it, show you a couple more. The wand, around. Outwards, not inwards, outwards. Like this, and then sometimes you don't wrap it so close, you could just turn it and it will wrap alone. This, couple seconds. Just let it drop to the palm of your hand, or just let it drop and then you pick it up in the same pattern, and then just pull it. Throw it to the back. We did finish the bottom section. So I'm gonna continue my hair. Okay, babe, so now I'm done with the split onto the hat. So now what I like to do is, ooh, my double chin. I like to usually just check on them to see if I missed any, like if I see any hair that's not curled. But I see.
All you pay is a small shipping charge. So
okay, so now we're gonna continue.
Tap now to download.
And we're gonna do with that. So we just do another section. I like to go, I have a little bald spot right here, so I like to go with that. So I just go like this, part it and push that to the front, and then I like to go with this little baby hairs too. So like that. So remember, start from the back so you can start pushing your hair backwards to like your hair that's already cut. So this way. Remember, outwards. A couple seconds. And then just drop it to your palm of your hand. Hold it. Corazón es un desierto. Pull it and throw it back. So in the front ones, I don't hold them. I just let them drop and just pull them because I like to have my curls loose from the front. So there it is. Then I pull them out to the front to make sure I have all of my hair curled. So this is so far. Like sometimes you can wear your hair like this, or you like if you want to make the bun smaller, what I like to do is start grabbing from the back, like this, and I put this hair in the front, and then I split this hair in half, and then I get this, and I put it in a bun, like this. So you know how some people are wearing their hair like that? So then I just comb this, and then I comb this. And then I curl this. And these, I don't hold them neither. I just hold them a little bit longer, and then I let them go, and I let them fall. In the top, I like to get thinner pieces of hair, so it could look more fuller. Your hair could look more fuller and be full of thinner, like this. So your hair could look more fuller. So that's my trick that I like to do. A little close up, or you could just continue. I know my curls look like quinceañera curls, but right now you're gonna see the real magic. So, and then just part it however you want to do your hair. You could do it down the middle, like that, which I'm gonna go for, or you could do the side that you could put this way. Up to you guys. So I'm gonna go down the middle. Well, it's not even that good, but let's try. There we go. And now I look like a zombie. So then I just brush it out my hair, and then I just grab this piece so I would get confused. So and then from here I just comb it down. I just make sure I have all my hair, and then I like to go with thin sections, and then I don't start all the way on the top, I start halfway down. You see that? I still have a big chunk of hair in the root, and then just don't hold it and just pull it. See that? I leave. Okay. See that? I leave a piece. And then just pull it. And then just continue. But what I like to do is I like to place the straightener on the top so I can lower my little hairs. And then just curl it. And drop it in there. So once I get here, I just split this. Once I get to like the almost end, I just split it like this, and then I just curl this. The closer I can, not too close, I still have like a little bit of space. Hold it and drop it, and then just hold it a little bit longer so it can become more looser. And then here I just like to go down and go little by little downwards. and there's that half. So let me show you guys. So my hair ends up like this. So now, so I'm getting closer, so I'm just starting to, I separate that hair, and then this one I get as close as I can, and then let it go. So here's when I start splitting it to get a little piece like that. So I just split it in half. There's that piece, and then I just curl this one. And I let it go, and now this one is like where you like to have that little. So little by little, I'm just letting it go. So there it is. So now I just like to push it off front, and then just make sure I don't have no hair that's not curled. So this is the hair, how it looks curled when you don't do nothing to it. So what I like to do is I like to touch my hair to make sure there's no curls hot. So like since I just curled this side, it's still warm. So I just give it a couple seconds, and then I feel them cold already everywhere. So what I like to do is run my fingers through it. So like this, let me see if you guys can see. Little by little. The bottom ones, I like to destroy them. Like, so, and then after that, the top ones, I keep them. But I just pass my fingers through them. So look at the difference. This is quinceañera style right here, and this is Mufasa style. How I personally like them. I like to have big volume hair, so that's how it is. And then like I just mess with it. So now let me show you guys on this side so you guys can see. So the bottom ones, I like to destroy them, and the top ones, I just pass my fingers through them. Like that. You see that? And then this side. So I don't know if you guys could see what's the end result. Can you guys see? I hope you guys can see. So then after that, I just play with it, fix it up. I don't know how you guys personally like it, but that's how I like to do it. And then sometimes when I see like little hair standing up here, what I like to do is grab the wand and just gently pass it through. So this is a little close-up of my curl. So I don't know if you guys could see. So like that. So that's final look. But yeah, babes, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below what did you guys think about this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you.